Hey, man. Hey, come here real quick. Yeah. Are you having beef with someone up the road? Hey, hold on.
Hey, he's drunk, bro.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Stop. Stop. What's going on? Keep your hands out of your pocket. You got any weapons or anything?
Nope.
What's going on with them?
I don't know. He drunk, bro. I'm trying to walk.
Hold on, man.
I'm young in the mud.
Well, let me figure out what's going on.
Like
I'll
20
get...
years old.
You got any weapons? Can I pat you down real quick? Make sure you don't have any weapons. Here. Don't reach for nothing. Oh! Oh! Shots fired! Shots fired! I'm hit! He's taking off in my car. Shots fired. I'm hit. He's running down 21st behind the brown house. Start IMSA. I don't know. Just get in it and get on the brakes. Oh, I'm hit. Am I hitting the face? No. 17, start in, so I'm hitting the right leg.
The suspect was struck by Officer Sheehan's gunfire and was found wounded a short time later behind a nearby house. Officers rendered medical aid to Wilson, and IMSA transported him to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The suspect's firearm was located at the scene. Officer Sheehan was transported to OU Medical Center where he was treated and released. He has been placed on routine administrative leave pending the outcome of the investigation.